When you have Excel worksheets that are very big and contain lots of data, it is sometimes difficult trying to find specific words or phrases, even though you know they are somewhere on the sheet. The Excel Find feature makes such searches very easy by searching the entire file for you. Let's find out how it works. Supposing this is a worksheet containing thousands of names and we're looking for a particular name. Let's say we're looking for somebody called Wendy. Among these thousands of people, it's going to be very difficult trying to scroll up and down manually looking for Wendy. So we have to use the Excel Find feature to do that. There are two ways to use the Excel Find feature. The first is to click on the Home tab and then go to the Editing group and click on Find and then Find. Okay, and it brings you this dialog box. Well, the second method is simply to use a shortcut, CtrlF. It brings you the same thing. So what are we looking for? Who are we looking for? We're looking for somebody called Wendy. So in the dialog box, it says find what? Well, I want you to find Wendy for me. And then I click on Find All. It shows me where Wendy is. So it's as easy as that. It has highlighted Wendy at the bottom here. Let's do something else. I press CtrlF and I'm looking for somebody called John. I type John in the dialog box. And then I click Find Next. So show me the next place or the first place where somebody called John is, because there are lots of Johns and I'm just looking for a particular John. So Find Next. You see, it gives me a place where I can find John. Is this John I'm looking for? No. So I click Next. It gives me Mark John. He's not the one I'm looking for. Click Next. So it will keep showing you all the Johns until you are satisfied that this is the one that you are looking for. So it's pretty easy to do this. What if you are looking for something? Let's say you've made certain consistent mistakes. There is a particular word which you have used and you don't want to use it anymore. For instance, we have sales and marketing department or division. So I don't want to use sales and marketing anymore. They've replaced it or renamed it to be simply sales. And I've typed sales and marketing about 200 times in this document. How can I replace all of them manually one by one? Well, you don't have to. You can use the Find and Replace feature to instantly replace all of them. To do that, you also press on CtrlF. And then find what? Well, find sales and marketing. Then you click here, replace. Replace with what? Replace with sales. So I can simply state, I hope when you look on the left, you can see sales and marketing all over the place. So I want to replace all of them instantly. So I simply click Replace All. It says all done. We've made 16 replacements and you click OK. So you can search through and you see sales all over the place. It's replaced sales and marketing. Supposing it is not all instances of sales and marketing you want to replace. There are some that you want to replace, not all. You simply also do the same thing. You type sales and marketing. Find what? Sales and marketing. Replace with sales. Then let's go to Find Next. It shows me the first one. Do I want to replace this particular one? I don't want to replace this one. So I'll simply select Find Next. Okay, I want to replace this next one. So I click on Replace. You see that it has replaced it. What about the next one? Okay, I don't want to replace this. The next one, I don't want to replace. Next one, okay, this I want to replace. Then I replace I click on replace. Okay, so this is what you do if you want to do selective replacement of a specific text. But if you want to replace everything at once, the option is still there. I'll simply click on replace all, and you see 14 replacements made. And you see that every instance of sales and marketing has been replaced with sales. This is a very useful tool in case you need to replace certain things. And if those particular texts occur in multiple locations, okay? So that is how we use the find and replace feature in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more wonderful videos. Thank you and bye for now.